When you travel by car, sometimes you never know what you're going to see on the side of the road, especially in a place like Costa Rica.
There are like thousands of iguanas, like everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty surreal. In the trees, by the restaurant, by the bridge, everywhere. There are all the different viewing points to check them out, and I'm just standing on the bridge trying to not get run over by any cars, but no, it's pretty crazy. I've actually never seen an iguana. I've only seen an iguana in like a zoo before when I was a little kid, but seeing them in the wild, this is kind of the wild for them, and it's pretty crazy. It's like in the most congested part of the town, and like try not get run over by any like buses or cars or anything. They're just so cool, and they're so well camouflaged. There's a couple down there you barely see, but you just see movement the whole time.
There is so much wildlife on the side of the road, everything from sloths to crocodiles, as you're surrounded by nature 24/7. To say something is beautiful is a claim that leads to a captivating moment that really makes one feel taken back, as you admire what lays before your very eyes. Costa Rica is the definition of this as the true beauty of nature and the people that surrounds you constantly